Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Christmas tea. It's alcohol free and it's also caffeine free. It's something we've made for years and it was actually inspired by some tea bags that I once bought and then I wasn't able to get them, so I decided to create the recipe myself, and it's a firm favourite in our family. So if you've not already subscribed to my channel, if you could please do so, because you get lots of helpful hints and tips all throughout the year from my home garden, my allotment, and today my home kitchen. So the things that you need are some dried hibiscus, some cinnamon sticks, and some orange. Half an orange will do. I've already used it to make some tea already. You'll also need a rolling pin, a zester, or you could use a grater, a sharp knife, something to bash the cinnamon on. I've got a couple of balls under here with a plastic cover. You'll also need a teapot and of course a tea strainer. So the first thing I will do, really simple, I buy my hibiscus in bulk. I actually had a friend who bought it back when she went to Egypt. So a nice handful of hibiscus. I've got quite a big teapot there, so a couple of, generous handful in there. So you need to pop your cinnamon in. Now I think it infuses much better if you bash it up, but the choice is yours, plus the fact it's a lot of fun to bash it up as well. So just put it on something hard. We've got a board underneath this and just bash down on it. There we go, and that's all you're trying to do. You're just trying to break it up a little bit, and you just pop a little bit in, just like so. So not a huge amount. If you didn't have sticks of cinnamon, then you could do powder, but personally I think for something like this, sticks are much better. The other thing is some zest from an orange. It really doesn't matter what orange you've got. This was just something I had in my fruit bowl. So obviously zest the orange. A little bit fiddly because I've already zested half of it and put it in my other teapot. So just zest that gently. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to put the whole thing in anyway. There we go, and then just slice up what you've got left and pop it in your teapot, like so. If you've got any juices like I've got on there, any spare bits of cinnamon, pop them back in your jar for another brew. A little bit of extra juice I'm not going to waste, so I'm just going to pop that in there. Then all you need to do is cover it with boiling hot water, like so. Now I leave this to steep for quite a while. It's not like making tea from tea leaves. The longer you leave it, the better it tastes. So I personally make that in the morning and I don't drink it until at least 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. You want it to infuse. Sometimes I even steep it overnight because the flavours come out much more, and then you can either warm it up the next day in a saucepan or a microwave, or what I sometimes do is I'll pour half cold tea with then some hot water and mix it together, because you often get quite a strong infusion, so you can quite easily water it down. So this is something that's really lovely and refreshing this time of year, especially when you've been overindulging, and it really is a taste of the season without having to have something alcoholic, because quite often we've all overdone it. And all you need to do now, here's one I made earlier, which has been infusing for a few hours. You just need a tea strainer and you just pour yourself a cup and enjoy. And it really is quite fantastic. So I really hope that's inspired you to make your own Christmas tea and you'll enjoy it as much as we do.